Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be doing another Halloween card and using the pop-up die stamp pandas. As you can see, I already cut it using my Big Shot, and now I'm going to figure out how this thing works. It's good to put tape on it so it won't move, especially when you're doing a lot of pop-ups. This is actually my first time using a pop-up die, and I'm still learning and trying to figure out where to fold the paper. As you can see, I made a few mistakes on where to fold the paper, but it's okay. It's fixable. It's not gonna waste your paper. You can still fix it. And now I finally figured out where the right fold should be, and there you go. That's my pop-ups ready to go. So now I'm gonna be looking for a Halloween stamps. So okay, those are the ones. Those are Inkadinkado, I believe. And this one, I believe this is Recollections. I threw out the packaging because it broke. So it's a really cute stamp. It comes with die, so yeah, that's gonna be fun. Now what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to put another same color paper to put underneath that paper so it won't show the holes, so it will look really neat when you finish your card. So now I'm trying to adhere all the papers on my base card. So I'm using the same paper pad that I use on my previous Halloween video. The same thing. This is different designs. So now I'm going to adhere the one that I want to put underneath to cover the holes on the pop-ups. So this is actually your base card. You can use like a thin one because it will be thicker anyway. So now you can see I'm using my favorite scissor edge that I always use on my videos. I really like that scissor, but I just don't know what the name of it. So that's the only thing with me. Some of my stuff, it's been a while that I haven't do a video, and I really totally forgot what the names are, you know, where I got them and stuff like that. So I hope you guys forgive me on that. So now I'm pretty much done inside, and I'm gonna work on the front first, and now I'm going to stamp the sentiments, and I'm gonna use that paper for the front. And I'm just trying to figure out what size, and then I'm gonna cut it. So now I'm about to ink the edges of my paper, which I always do every time I create a card or anything that I create, well, paper wise. I always have to ink the edges, which I love to do because it gives a finished look. And by the way, the glass mat by Tim Holtz is really nice, and not only nice, you can see my face as well in there, but it's okay, it's all right. And I'm just gonna do simple on the front of my card because I have a lot of things going on inside, so I'm just gonna make it simple. So I'm going to adhere the sentiment and also the pumpkin on the front of the card. So I decided just to do it simple on the front of the card, so just, you know, it won't overpower on what's the inside of the card. So that's the front of the card, and now I'm going to do the inside of the card. I believe that's a dog, cat, and a mouse, and a pumpkin. I colored them with my Copic markers, and I really had a lot of fun creating this card. It's pretty simple. I really like the pop-up dies. I would probably use it more often, so you guys are gonna see a lot of my cards that has pop-ups. So this is the fun part, and it's all coming together, and I love how cute they are. And it's a simple card, but it's really cute. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did, as always, and I hope you guys don't mind my voice. Sometimes I just want to talk. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy that little cutie card that I made for the Halloween, and I hope I inspire you to make a Halloween card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you subscribe to my channel, and also please click the notifications so you won't miss any of my new videos that are coming up. So thanks again, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.